This LSVT Coach video tutorial will walk you through resolving any issues that you may have with your results file and it not opening properly within Microsoft Excel. To resolve this issue, you must have the desktop version of Microsoft Excel downloaded onto your device. By default, after completing LSVT Loud treatment using the LSVT Coach software, the results XML files generated by the LSVT Coach will either open up in a Notepad or Wordpad and will look like a long string of code that is difficult to read and parse information out of, as you see here. To open up the file properly, you are going to want to start by opening up Excel. And once Excel is opened, you will then have the option to open up a file directly within Excel. From here, you are going to want to browse your PC and locate the LSVT data folder. It should be located on your desktop. From here, open the data folder and select a patient to open their data file. You are then going to select the results file that you are wanting to view and it will open up directly within Excel. From here, you will see a spreadsheet that has all of the data you collected during your LSVT Loud treatment session. You will see varying exercises and the subsequent trials of these exercises that your client performed. Please reach out to LSVT Coach at lsvtglobal.com for any additional questions or concerns you may have.